Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. So this week I'm going to show you how to remove an object from a background that are the same color or close to the same color. And when doing this, you can't use any of the tools. Well, those would be in Affinity Photo. That would pretty much automatically get rid of the stars and the stripes. Hello, kitty. But it does have a pen tool. So what I'm going to do here is get my Control and plus keys, zoom in. That's too much. Okay, so her body is here and her hair starts somewhere around here. I'm going to use the stars to help me form her hairline, which goes all the way to here, and there's her shoulder again. And I'll probably be speeding a lot of this up because it's going to take a while. The first thing I'm doing is just making straight lines that I will fix after. That cat is right up in my microphone. Okay, so that's the basic outline. And when you do this, this says 0.2. I just go to 0. I don't want any stroke whatsoever when I make my cut, which isn't really a cut. But okay, I want to move to the node tool, A on the keyboard. And here I'm just going to start fixing the points where they're at. So when I get my curve tool out, they'll be in the right spot. So here I'm just going to take the point here and move it down. Those all look okay. I'll move this one right up on the curve. Okay, now I'm gonna, if you can see on the node tool, when you get on a line, that little squiggly comes under. I'm gonna click and bend. You can do anything you want with it, really. But here I just want to try and follow the hairline. Okay, now the corner tool. I'm going to start smoothing out these sharp points. Just like that. Doesn't have to be much. Now on this, you're on the inside of the V when you make your moves. So this is a very wide V, but now I'm going to drag right. And that should do it. Control 0. So now we've got our curve here. That's what this line is. What we did with the pen tool is we created a curve. I'm going to take Kamala, move her up a little. You see how I did that? That's Kamala Harris, by the way. I got this from All American Graphics. See, if you just move down, whoop. She doesn't even want to move down. There we go. Nope. There. If you just move down, it's not going to do anything. You got to move it down and to the right, and it creates a mask. I'm going to get rid of this background, and you can see, looks like I got part of the white. That's okay. She's effectively cut out. Technically, the image is still there. You just can't see it. So this is another one from All American Graphics. I've already loaded in. Whoops. First I gotta get the move tool. Okay, I need to make her smaller. Yeah, gotta hold down the shift key to keep proportions. That should do. Now we gotta tilt her a little. Just gonna turn this back on. Now I can see better. Hold shift. Wait, I want this side. Oh, still need the tilt. It fit much better on my last one. I've already uploaded something like this. Maybe I did it this way. I did do it that way. So I'm gonna make her not tilt so much. Turn off snapping. Just drag that over. So I've cut the black on black out and applied it to a new background. And when you do it, you want to not catch that white there, but that is fixable in several ways. You could paint over it, or this is faster for this. Grab, I think a circle will have to do it. Move tool, pop it right over there. Grab your eyedropper, catch the color, match it, done. That's faster than painting over it. So that is how you remove an object that is the same color as the background. And that's it for this week. If you like what you saw, leave a like, drop a comment, especially if you have any questions on this, and I will see you next time. Oh, subscribe if you haven't. I'm one away from crossing 100. And with that, I will see you next time.